Hello, peace seekers. Welcome to this practice where we will celebrate the wonders of fall. Feel free to get comfortable in your indoor or outdoor space. Set accommodations to help you achieve optimal comfort. You may sit upright with your spine elongated and your feet planted firmly on the floor. Or you can lay down with your back fully supported. You can close your eyes or gaze at the beautiful view before you. Relax your entire body and allow the muscles in your face to be loose, fluid, and free. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Repeat the process. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, and exhale. 1, 2, 3. As you breathe, feel your belly expand with every inhalation, and notice how it flattens as you release the air back into the atmosphere. Allow yourself to be fully aligned with all goodness and positivity on this day, at this moment, and in your space. As you continue to breathe, give yourself permission to sink deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation. You are safe. You are present. You are free. With every breath, envision the predominant colors that embody the fall season. The many shades of brown, green, yellow, red, and orange. Think of all the good feelings that this season evokes and allow yourself to tap into them. The fall season is full of vibrance and mesmerizing colors. Fall symbolizes harvest, abundance, and full prosperity. There is magic and essence captured during this season. It is a time of holiday gatherings, togetherness, and celebration. During fall, withered leaves blanket the soil for new phases to begin. Take heed to the falling leaves as nature sheds its skin. And be open to stillness and rest so your renewal can begin. Allow this chapter to sweep unwanted thoughts or feelings away and plant seeds that will encourage cleansing, healing, and growth. We can learn from this glorious season. If we mimic the wonders of fall, we become cool, calm, balanced, and colorful. Then we are able to appreciate the mesmerizing beauty of the world at large. Take a deep breath in for a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Be like full, open to change, constantly shedding layers and becoming aligned with all that makes you fresh and free. When you embrace your full energy, it then becomes easier to be mellow and unfazed by any storms that may arise. Be like fall, vibrant, deep, introspective. Be like fall, be like fall, be like fall. Continue to search within and say these words aloud. I embrace my autumn energy. I am cool, calm, colorful, and cozy. I am one with the wind, sky, and soil. I allow nature to teach me how to let go, embrace change, and be renewed. I allow myself to be as free as the winds that sway. I am powerful. I am strong. Take a deep breath. And allow yourself to fully process and feel every word. Allow the words to empower you, inspire you, and feed your soul. Thank you for participating in this practice. I hope it motivates you to be the most vibrant, beautiful version of yourself, now and always. Love and light.